All right, guys, welcome back to It's Better Built here. It's another episode. I wouldn't say it's another episode because we haven't really done anything, but it's another welding episode. It's the good old classic welded Diff. So Michael already got the gas. He already got the spool. He already got the gas and the spool, and he's gonna go get his truck. So as soon as he comes back, we're gonna go ahead and tear it apart and weld it up so we can have 2 tire fire instead of 1 tire fire. Stay tuned. If you like it, subscribe. If you don't like it, don't subscribe. If you don't like it, don't like it. But if you like it, like it. If you know what I mean, you know what I mean. Thanks. Woo, look at this thing.
Here's your payment.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
All right, you get 1 diff weld for this payment. All right, guys, we got Michael here today. He's doing the good old welded diff on his 1 tire fire CST Chevy, which I've never heard of a CST before, but I don't know something.
Custom, bro.
Yeah. Holy cow, you can't see anything, dude. Alright, so we're gonna do a little before drive and after drive. 1 tire fire to 2 tire fire. Two tire fire.
I want to swing it, man.
She what?
She runs smooth. I just want her to swing. You know?
Yeah, you just wanna
get sideways, do some burnouts.
do some donuts, look cooler.
It's not even about that. It's about happiness, man. Burnouts equal happiness.
It does, true. 1 tire fire is just like not as happy, but when you fire 2 tires, you're just more than happy in life.
It's like double the happiness.
Yeah. Alright, so we got 1 tire to light. Now we gotta do that again with 2 tires. How many miles have you put on it since we finished it? 2,000?
2,401.
This kid's had this thing for 4 years now, and he's only put 2,400 miles on it since we finished the motor and whatnot.
Half of them are burnouts.
Half of the miles are burnout miles. It's miles per mile, not miles per mile. Dude, riding off into the sunset. That's what I like to do. Like a cowboy, yeah. Goodbye tire. Yeah, that was all that tire, but they did all that work.
All the gravel is sticking to it.
It's supposed to. Race car.
Race car.
Alright, I'm gonna eat my payment here. Noisy, guys. I'm gonna eat my payment, and we're gonna get this Jaguar off the freaking lift, and we're gonna put the green weenie on it and weld the diff. Stay tuned.
What does it taste like? What does it taste like?
Dude.
Big Mac and water.
Ew.
It's all down my shirt.
Is it good for you?
I don't know. Maybe it'll dehydrate me. Maybe it'll hurt my bones.
What does
Maybe
it say?
I'll grow a 3rd arm.
Is that tasty?
Slack and loose.
Is that numbing?
Num num num.
Oh yeah, dude.
Goodbye. Yes, we're gonna weld it in today.
Dude,
Alright, we need a.
Since we're under here, you might as well get like a whole new fucking drivetrain and everything.
Well, you're probably gonna need a support too at some point. That one's a little loose.
Yeah.
Send the drive shaft out, get it rebuilt. Be like $300.
I'll do that when I get my new trans.
No, your new motor. Because you're gonna need new everything after that. Tire spins backwards and this tire spins forwards. Means it's got an open diff. We don't like that. We don't want this. We want this. Oh, it's in park. But we want the whole
wait.
whole drivetrain to spin.
Wait.
Get close up on the tread right there.
You'll be able to take this to Burnouts and drag it.
Yeah.
Probably get some good times on it too.
Yeah, go get that one. That is what we don't want. We want both tires to be bald.
Yeah. Yes, we do.
It's like burnt popcorn.
It's burnt. Burnt whale sperm, apparently. That's what they say. I think that's what they say. What's in gear oil? Whale sperm?
Welcome.
I don't think I ever heard that.
Welcome. Yeah, it's like either old terminology for like old gear oil or like the additive they use. Whale sperm?
There's a full one. Start.
Is it? It's not that full.
It's.
Well, I don't know what happened to that last can, but it just decided to violently explode. As a guy, you always want to do this with your best friend. Never anybody you don't know. Never want to cross streams with them. God, these things are going forever. You got any more?
No, we're gonna weld.
Later, rip. Oh. Ew, it's all over me. It's all over me. Gross. I didn't think there was going to be that much more in there. Alright, we need more brake clean hands. I'm a little loopy on the brake fumes.
Okay,
Brake clean fumes.
Oh, here we go again.
Where is that diff at? Oh, can you put it in neutral somehow? We're gonna start exercising my insurance policy here. Oh, your shoes are a little dirty, bud.
Hey.
Yeah, get them white again. Looks like some grass on there.
Hey.
It's a neutral?
I believe so. Is that a neutral?
Oh yeah, those spider. Oh yeah, dude, you can totally reuse this rear end after we're done. Nice.
Dude, I don't know how he's still in there. He must like it or some shit, dude.
What? What do you think? I got this, boys. We're gonna put them. We're gonna shove them in there, there, and there. We're gonna weld this rod to this, and weld this rod to this, and then re-replicate that to the other side. All right, guys. Either we're gonna blow up or we're not gonna blow up.
I'm getting back. That's for sure.
You're good.
You did, huh? It wasn't you farted.
No,
Not with the phone flame. Ah, dude. All right, you stay over there. Goodbye, Diff.
Monkey stance.
It burns. I'm doing this all wrong. No safety glasses, no real gloves. These are my TIG welding gloves. Got the freaking fireproof suit. I think I got the freaking helmet on though. It's coming in. It's freaking. There's still a lot of oil on there. So.
Oh.
I'm heating up all. See how the oil is dissipating? It's starting to look dry.
Yeah.
That's what I want. I want it to look as dry as possible, so we're not absorbing as much oil into the weld as we possibly can. So, preheating it, one's gonna get the cast up to temperature to accept the weld, and two, it's gonna get all the oils and stuff like that to just burn off or evaporate. It's still not gonna be the prettiest weld, but it'll hold for sure. And then all we gotta do is heat up the other side and weld that up too.
So you only did half of it?
Yeah, because I don't want to get too close to this gear.
Oh, okay.
It's a solid weld right there.
But
okay?
yeah,
You're right, guys. How much?
that one's probably like 200 an hour.
Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Oh
Is it
yeah. Yeah, dude.
What do you think?
Wait, spin that hoe. Let me see that. Oh yeah.
Well, I might put some more welds. Let me clean it up a little. Look, guys, what happens when you don't wear the right protective gear? You get all the welding splatter right here. And I guarantee you tomorrow it's going to be all sunburnt. All of this. And then I'm going to have cancer.
So what's the point of degreasing?
Oh, I'm just trying to get all the metal beads out of it. So a lot of volume of fluids and degreasing.
Oh yeah, it's milky. Oh, leche. It's its own ecosystem.
Do it! We welding your diff next, dude. Let's do it. Before TDS, so you can crawl up things. Michael's taking his truck to the desert.
Paddles.
He's gonna put paddles on it. You just... Yeah. We just welded the diff in it right now.
I farted, guys. Be careful.
Stupid.
I farted. Be careful. Warning.
Hey guys, stay tuned. Dylan's going to TDS with us this Saturday in his Ranger.
I don't know if I'm gonna beat the shit out of my truck.
You don't know if you're gonna beat that? What? You're gonna
Pretty
take
broke.
your Ranger out
I'm
there
really
and
broke
you're
right
gonna
now.
like pass us. You're gonna hit the whoops at like 60 in a stock Ranger.
I was risking it all and I was not that broke. Now I'm super broke.
What's TDS?
TDS is Tierra del Sol out in Ocotillo. It's an annual off-roading event, like 4x4 and stuff like that. We usually go every year, but I haven't been in a few years ever since Mike Bronco went and decided to do gymnastics down a mountain. This year, it's my turn to ride passenger in Corey's Jeep, so hopefully we don't do gymnastics down a mountain like we did 2 years ago in Bronco. Otherwise, I'm gonna have broken toes like Corey did. Oh. He's gonna go home all freaking lubed up.
Ooh.
Oh, how far can you go? Not that far.
Not very far.
Burnouts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You got David and mine.
It's been a while since I've done a burnout.
No, it hasn't.
Right?
We're not breaking anything else.
Uh-oh, guys. Uh-oh. We made art. Where the hot dogs at?
Fire keeps going out.
Why is the fire keep going out? Let's freaking
Brother.
put that log under the tire. We'll smoke it until it freaking catches on fire and we'll put it back in there.
You got leaf light right there.
Clearly, that's not doing much. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it.
Thanks for helping.
You're welcome.
Real burnouts now.
Real burnouts. Now we got to work on more power.
Yeah.
And what else? Uh-oh. Dylan has to ruin everything. But
I'm gonna need some new tires. That's for
new
sure.
tires for sure. We're gonna rotate these. He's probably gonna burn up these tires until they're like done, and then
Until they're wired, dude.
until they're wire, and then he's gonna get new tires, and then All right, guys. Thanks for watching. We got Michael here with his 70 Chevy. We did a bunch of work to it many years ago. And today we finally welded the diff in it. So hopefully you enjoyed it. If you like what we do, follow, subscribe, and comment below what else you want to see us do to that truck. Maybe you'll recommend some better ideas for burnouts, drifts, whatever. Maybe you got some spare parts laying around. Let me know. But
Spare parts.
spare
Please.
parts.
Yeah.
We're cheap. We're cheap around here. Cheap. Clearly I'm broke. We just cheaply welded a freaking diff together. So that tells you how cheap we are. But yeah, follow, like, subscribe, share. Keep us floating.